What is this? A Monika plush unboxing. As soon as you said you're gonna love Steph's new video, I was thinking you were talking about the one yesterday, but not. I didn't think you uploaded one today. He bought a Monika plush.
Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube, and welcome to my first unboxing video. This came in the mail for me today, and it's from the Doki Doki Literature Club store.
Oh my god.
That's the Monika plush I ordered all the way back in October.
Oh!
But I guess we'll find it.
Seth, no. No.
Make sure to just open it up and play with it alright?
Oh my god. This has 50 views.
What do you know?
This isn't good. This is not good. I don't know what his obsession with this game is. I do not know what his obsession with this game is. He's never played the game. He doesn't have a computer.
I mean, I don't know what I was expecting, but not disappointed either.
I'm disappointed.
So, yeah.
That's not good. That's actually kind of concerning.
You know, at one point, you ask yourself, like, am I a weeb? I'm sitting here in a Monika shirt with a channel that's solely become about Monika now. Getting a Monika plush. Then I remember that Doki Doki Literature Club was made in America. So, fuck off.
He shouldn't be bragging about that. That's not good. That's not good. Alright. Whatever. What's scary about that is that I was with him when he got that shirt.